Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can use GPU instead of CPU in Windows. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the search menu on your PC and search for settings. Open the app and locate graphics settings. If you cannot find it, simply search for graphics settings in the available search bar. Scroll down a little bit. Under the related settings, click on graphics and various options will be available. Either locate the target app or just click on browse and select its app. After that, click on it again in the list available and select options. Now, in the preferences, choose high performance and save it. Note that you will need to do this for every app separately. And that's how you can use GPU instead of CPU in Windows. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.